Two-sided errors are errors which affect two or more accounts. Two-sided errors do not affect the agreement of the trial balance. Such errors are rectified by passing a rectifying journal entry. These errors are errors of recording, error of posting to wrong account, error of principal, and error of complete omission. These errors are discussed in details. First, error of recording. An error in the recording stage affects the posting in the ledger and recording in the subsidiary books. This error affects two accounts. First, this affects the casting and subsequent account where it is posted. Then it also affects the individual account where it is posted. Second, error of posting to wrong accounts. This error occurs when the journal is posted to the wrong account, wrong side of the account, and with the wrong amount. Third, error of a principal. Error of a principal occurs in case of a wrong allocation of the expenditures and incomes among capital and revenue. The following points are to be considered for rectifying the error of a principal. Then the next one is when an asset is purchased. The asset account should be debited but not the purchases account. If by mistake the purchases account is debited, then rectify this by debiting the respective asset account and credit the purchases account. When an asset is purchased and any expenses are incurred on purchasing the asset, if by mistake the expenses account is debited, then this should be rectified by debiting the prospective asset account and the expenses account should be credited. If cartage is paid on newly purchased furniture, then furniture account should be debited to capitalize the expenditure. If by mistake the cartage account is debited, then it should be credited to rectify the error. When an asset is sold. When an asset is sold, the asset account is credited. If by mistake the sales account is credited, then it would be debited and the respective asset account should be credited. Expenses incurred on the sale of an asset. Expenses on sale of an asset should be debited to the respective asset account but not the expenses account. Third one is errors of a complete omission. If a business transaction is completely omitted, then it can be rectified by recording the journal entry.